Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use OBS as a camera source on Discord. This is incredibly useful if you want to share your screen, add overlays, or use multiple sources during video calls. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches, you'll see the main interface with several panels. Navigate to the Scenes section and click the plus icon to create a new scene. When the prompt appears, enter a name for your scene. For example, you can type Discord and then click OK. This scene will serve as your dedicated setup for Discord streaming. Now that your scene is created, head over to the Sources section in the bottom left corner of the OBS interface. Click the plus icon here to add a new source. From the menu that appears, select Display Capture. This option allows OBS to capture everything on your screen, which is perfect for sharing your entire display during Discord calls. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your display capture source. For instance, you could type Discord app and then click OK to proceed. This naming helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to add more sources later. After clicking OK, a new window will open with display capture properties. Look for the display option, and right beside it you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and select your preferred display from the list. This is useful if you have multiple monitors and want to choose which screen OBS should capture. Once you've made your selection, click OK to apply the settings. With your scene and source configured, direct your attention to the right panel of the OBS interface. Here you'll find a button that says Start Virtual Camera. Click on this button to activate OBS's virtual camera feature. This essentially turns OBS into a webcam that other applications like Discord can detect and use as a video source. Now it's time to switch over to your Discord application. In the bottom left corner of Discord, click the gear icon to open user settings. This is where you can configure all your Discord preferences and features. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to the left panel and click on voice and video. This section controls all audio and video input settings for your Discord calls. Scroll down through the voice and video settings until you find the camera section. Below this section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select OBS Virtual Camera from the available options. This tells Discord to use OBS as your video input instead of your regular webcam. Finally, to verify everything is working correctly, click the Test Video button. This will enable the OBS Virtual Camera and show you a preview of what others will see during your Discord video calls. You should now see your OBS scene being displayed as your camera feed. And there you have it. You've successfully configured OBS as your camera source on Discord, giving you full control over what you share during video calls. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.